So here's the plant snacks for the squirrels and the seagulls. What should we get them? I think they like donuts. That's not a bad price for it. We'll get them donuts. What else do we have? I ain't gonna eat a cookie. What about this? Think they eat this? I don't know. Oh, yes, 88 cents. We'll get them that. And, 81 cents. Get them that. Oh, we like this 81 cents better. And this, why is this one 88 cents? This one's 81 cents. Oh, this is one. Okay, that explains. And then we'll get okay, so we got this for them. Perfect. Think they like donuts? I'll give them 2 donuts. What's this one? This one's this donut. What's this one? We'll get them this one. Wait, what is this? Strawberry, raspberry. Well, I ain't gonna eat raspberry. They need plain. They need plain. Raspberry. No, they need plain. We need this one and okay. That's pretty good for them. Yeah, that's so this is what I have for them. That's a pretty good amount. That should last for today and Friday. So we're putting these back because I don't think they'll eat the nuts. I just realized these had nuts.